Hello everyone, my project is Higgs boson classification using H2O deep learning API. Higgs boson. Higgs boson is an elementary particle in the standard model of particle physics. To generate Higgs boson, we need to use that particle accelerator. After the data is collected from the accelerator, so one need in this research field is to try to distinguish the Higgs boson generating signal process from the background signal process. So this looks like is a very good field to apply deep learning approach. So in my project, I use H2O deep learning API to resolve this issue. The data set is taken from a UCI machine learning repository donated by Professor Danny Whiteson. After loading the data into R and then download the H2O from their website, we can invoke from R this H2O deep learning API. For example, this is the deep learning model syntax. So after build this simple model, we can in fact I use the grid search to search for the hyper parameters. I use the three round like hyper search. For example, this is the syntax to uh, this is the syntax to do the hyper parameter search. So once we get that all these like byte hyperparameter, I build that the model. So the final model, um, you can like get all the metadata from H2O API. For example, this is the feature relative importance. It tell you like which feature is more important, which is the least. Also, we can see we can in fact to get that uh, the AUC, the accuracy, all this information. Same information, in fact, we can browse from like the H2O interface. So this will tell us like the log loss. This is the AUC. Another thing I did is I also load the data to H2O driverless AI. So it will do the automatically data analysis and the modeling. To build the model takes around 25 minutes to finally build the model. The AUC is 80.6%. It's pretty same as what we get from like the R programming using like the H2O API. So as a conclusion, I think like the H2O is very easy to install. It's very easy to invoke from a different program language like R, Spark, Python, and its training speed is very fast. The model, in fact, build is pretty competitive for this data set. In fact, this is competitive. Overall, it's very good. If I have time, I may try to investigate if this accuracy can be improved. Thank you very much.